This is a two transistor amplifier circuit board. Now I am going to check this circuit. Here need dual voltage positive and negative. Look, here I have to use positive voltage, here is negative voltage. This is the audio input from here and this is the audio output. Now I am going to check this circuit using this heatsink. I am going to fix this transistor with this heatsink. I have to use separator because here is two transistor. One is positive, another one is negative. If I don't use the separator, it will make short circuit. This is the thermal paste. I am using this thermal paste. It's coming out slowly. It's stuck ready inside. Oh no, his body has problem. Okay, I changed the cork. Must use the separator. Again I am using thermal paste. This thermal paste help transistor to be cool. To be cool. Here is two transistor. One is 2SC5200. Another one is 2SA1943. You also can use another transistor, PNP and NPN, no problem. But this circuit made for this type of this pair of transistor. We can use in this circuit 25 voltage, 25 voltage to 50 voltage. 50 voltage maximum, and the ampere will be 3 or 4 ampere, maximum 4 ampere, because two transistors are here. For one transistor 1.3 ampere. Okay, always use a good type of heatsink. Always use good type of heatsink. And make sure it's tight with the heatsink. Now I am going to use this transformer. I am going to use low voltage 25 voltage first to check this circuit. This is the positive voltage. This is the positive voltage, and this is the negative voltage. The white one is the ground. Pull down the circuit. Pull down is the ground. Now I am going to check the voltage. Now I am going to plug in. Oh no, the bulb is lighting. The series bulb is making light, so the circuit has problem. Look, it should be 25 voltage, but look, oh sorry, I have to bring the meter first. The series bulb makes light because of here of short circuit. Ground, look, it has only 10 voltage, the short circuit, and speaker output got voltage. Speaker output got voltage. For this case, the circuit has problem. Look, Swedish bulb is lighting. This bulb is lighting and this transistor makes hot because this driver section has problem. Driver section has problem. I have to repair this circuit. Please wait for next time. I will show you to repair the circuit. This 2 are driver transistor. Maybe anyone has problem. Any has problem. Thank you for watching this video.